Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain sign convention. It is very important topic for standard 10 and 12. Both the classes will get benefited with this. I have made here generalized sign convention, which is used in the optics or in the chapter of light. It will be used for the mirror as well as lens. So here is the first point. All the distances are measured from pole P of the mirror and optical center of the lens. If you are using mirror, a spherical mirror or any mirror, parabolic mirror, plane mirror, concave, convex, then all the distances must be measured from the pole of that mirror. And if you are using a lens either concave or convex, the distances will be measured from the optical center. The second point is distance measured in the direction of incident ray is taken to be positive. If you have to measure the distance from the pole and object is placed in front of the mirror, so incident ray will come from the object. Always take it the direction from object to the mirror or object to the lens. So you have to measure the distance from pole. Therefore, if you are measuring it in the direction of the incident ray, then it will be positive, and if you are measuring in opposite to the direction of incident ray is negative. Here is the first and second point. In the case of lens, you have to measure from optical center, and in the case of pole, you have to measure from the pole. So in all the cases, either it is mirror or lens, the object distance will be always negative because the ray is coming from the object to the lens or mirror. So, and it is measured from the lens or mirror, so it is always negative. So object distance you will be always negative. Now fourth point, the distance measured perpendicular to the upward direction, it will be taken positive. And fifth point, if you are measuring the distance perpendicularly downward from the principal axis, then it will be negative. Here is the sketch diagram, generalized sketch diagram. This is the axis drawn, x-axis, y-axis, this is the origin. Now my dear student, you have to put the lens or mirror along y1. So here I have written position of lens or mirror. So on this line you have to put. If I have written here, if it is lens, then its optical center will be at O, and if it is mirror, then its pole will be at O. Now this AB is object, so all the light ray will come from AB to this y1. Therefore the direction of incident ray will be like this, and you have to measure from O. So as like in the coordinate system in mathematics, on the positive x-axis you have to take all the things positive, and along the negative x-axis all the things negative. Along upward direction, along y-axis it will be positive, and along downward direction on y-axis it will be negative. So I have written here, towards this it is positive, towards upward positive, towards downward negative, from y1 to this direction it will be negative. Thank you very much.